All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Friday's Friday idiom. So droning on. Droning on and on and on and on. So just keep talking and talking and talking and talking. Yeah, not about interesting or important things. Just talking and talking and talking. Talking. Let's try and get a picture. Talking and just droning on. Yeah. They might just drone on as they talk on the phone. Yeah, this drone on. Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, she always drones on a Friday night. Yeah, he likes to drone on after a few drinks. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, so he just keeps droning on. He does not know when to be quiet as he starts to drone on. Yeah. Maybe let's change that. There we are. Yeah, they were just droning on and on. Yeah. Sometimes when they are together, they just keep droning on. Yeah, you just keep droning on. So if you're not careful, he might start droning on and just keep talking without giving you a chance to speak. But how would it? No chance to talk? Just droning on and on and on and on, and just talking. Great, thank you very much. Okay. She is getting to the age where she is just droning on. Like a sound. Like drone. Just this droning noise. This is sound, constant noise. Drone, just a constant noise. Oops, let's change that. Like drone, just a constant noise. Yeah, there we are. Let's move that. Yeah, just a constant noise that just goes on and on. So he's always talking. He is always talking. He is always droning on. Yes, oh, there it is. Yeah. So, like for example, on the phone, droning on, just talking on the phone. He is on the phone and droning on. Yeah, he always talks and just keeps talking. Keeps talking, yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, droning on. Yeah. All right. So, how cool is that? Now, can you use droning on in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me when you look for English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy when you look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.